knee. Dang. Scrape my knee. You DM me? I'm gonna check. I don't really be checking my DMs. You know why? Because nobody reads. Nobody listens. You shouldn't even be DMing me. I have a number in my bio that you're supposed to text for business. So you're right. I don't check my DMs. Because it clearly says in my bio, no DMs. I don't check DMs. If it's about business, you definitely should be texting that number in my bio. Text the number in my bio, and we can go from there. I got so much shit. I can't keep up with DMs. You know how many times DMs get lost? You know how many times DMs don't even come through because I can't even get DMs from everybody the way my shit's set up? You know how many times they get overlooked? It's unfortunate, but I communicate that. I said in my bio, no DMs. Text. Such and such, such and such, such and such, such and such, such and such. Go ahead. Definitely hit the number. And they should respond immediately. If not, sooner than later. Sooner than me checking a DM. Because my ass, and it ain't personal, I promise. It's nothing personal. This is just to everybody. I don't be in my, like, sometimes I randomly, like, might be in the DMs. Like, just randomly just scrolling and just look at the DMs. But some DMs be in requests. Some DMs be in hidden. Some DMs be in general. Some DMs be in primary. Like, the DMs be all over the place. The DMs be DMing. And, yeah. So, nothing personal, just business. Don't take it personal. Baby, 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 personal. I did. Shit, Sherlock. On the bush. I can still see y'all's comments. It's 9 o'clock. Today's Saturday. Alright, so I did one thing off my list. So, when I'm riding in, I don't know what kind of car this is. Listen, I'm about to go home. I'm finna clean it up. I got somewhere to do. I got somewhere to be at 1 o'clock. So I'm actually about to pull up. I'm redecorating my house. I'm about to try to hang this picture up, y'all. Y'all gonna help? I need help. I need this picture hung up. I need this picture hung up. I'm about to try to hang it. I need to go get a tall lamp. I should have went to Marshall or see Sesame. Or what's it called? Marshalls. What's all them little stores? I need to go to Home Goods. Shit. Go ahead. Sonkin Park. I'm having a yard sale. I'm having a garage sale, y'all. I'm having a garage sale. I'm having a garage sale. Out with the old, in with the new. Bro, why I forgot my motherfucking rollie in the other truck though? Stupid. Man. Dumb. Whole Rolex. Lord. Let me go get my tripod. I'm about to hang up this picture. Okay? So, I'm about to go get my tripod. So I can have y'all with me. Let me go get it. It's in my car. So, this is going to garage sale. This is going in the garage sale. I got so much stuff. I'm putting everything in the garage. Because everything going into... I got to bring everything out here that's going into the garage sale. I'm about to get my son up. Everybody about to get up because everybody not about to be sleeping all day. Everybody not about to be sleeping all day. Let me get the tripod. Okay. I'm about to wake people up. He's supposed to be up anyway. So. Cortez, ain't you supposed to be up early, Mr. Early Man? Talking about, I'm gonna be up early. I got stuff to do. What time you gonna need me? I need you to help me. Okay. Legend, get up. You ain't about to be sleeping all late. Come on, let's get up. Let's get this room organized. Come on. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. You need to get in the shower for real. Get in the shower. Put you on some comfortable clothes. Come downstairs. Let's go. I ain't about to be sleeping all late. Time to get up. You got school anyway this week. Time to get on the program. Okay, so I'm actually... I cannot wait to get my house done. I am rearranging some shit. I swear, like when you redo your house, it's like you moved, like you just moved back in or some shit. I mean, like you just moved to a new house. Okay, my bad, y'all. Okay, so I want to hang up this picture. Okay, I'm actually redoing. I'm about to put a wall up right here. So it's gonna be a wall that's gonna come from here all the way to here, and then it's gonna be a door. Then it's gonna be a wall that comes from here to here. So when I walk in, it's gonna be more like of a hallway now. So when I walk in, it look crazy because I already even took on down this stuff. So when I walk in, it's gonna be like a hallway right here. And I can put up all my mirrors, my pictures, my paintings, whatever that I decide I want to put up. Yes, Legend.
I forgot to show you this.
What happened?
I fell in the bathtub at Nina's house.
You okay?
Yeah, it used to be bleeding there.
It looks like it's healing now.
Yeah, and then I slid, and then I hit my stomach, and then I slid with a little
What was you doing?
I was just watching them.
I need to clip your nails today too. Okay.
What is that for, by the way?
They're designer books. So you got Gucci, you got Prada, Dior, and Chanel.
Wait, do Gucci?
Gucci?
Yeah, open the book.
So it's about the designer and the story of the fashion, like the person who owns him and different people, celebrities that wear different products and pictures and all that good stuff. See, they got Gucci Mane in there. That's cute.
What is Gucci Mane?
The rapper Gucci Mane. His name is Gucci Mane, but he always wore Gucci too, so they put him in it. See, that's Gucci Mane. All right, so you want to clean your room first, then get in the shower. You want to get in the shower, then clean your room. Because I just need you to get, everything should be cleaned up off your floor, make your bed, so I can run a sweeper up there. Okay? And then, little stuff like this, Nico about to help me too. We about to start taking whatever that we're going to use into this garage sale is going into the garage. Because we're having a garage sale.
What are we going to use?
Like, for instance, them is going in the garage sale. Them is going in the garage sale. People buy them. Somebody might need them.
Yeah, maybe. You started that?
No, I just bought this.
No, not that.
No. If I'm supposed to be getting a new one. Okay, so.
You still didn't figure out what this made of?
Nope. It's kind of heavy, huh?
This is like wood.
It's solid. It's solid. Okay, so I need.
Wait, it's heavy?
I think I need 2.
It's not metal.
Go find me the. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Go find me the.
This is heavy.
What's it called? The hammer.
Hammer? Where is it?
I don't know. Go look for it. Oh, I need the hammer. Oh yeah, I do need the hammer to take out this one. Cause that one ain't trying to come out.
I need my glasses.
I need the hammer. I need the drill. I need 2 nails.
Oh, yeah. Goodness.
Damn. This shit is not trying to come out the wall.
Who's not trying to go out the wall?
That nail. Let's go to the garage. Come on. So we're just going to go to the garage for now.
Isn't it supposed to be cameraman?
Yes, you are supposed to be my cameraman from when I start streaming. You right, legend. Are you ready for that job?
Yeah, I swear.
I'm only gonna stream with you when, of course, when I have you with me. I haven't seen the hammer in a long time.
Right.
But
What about this?
we have hammers. Yeah, that might work too. Oh, here we go. Hammer. Now I need some nails.
What does this even do?
That's pliers. That's pliers. And I'm about to get Nico. I want this organized.
Right.
I want this garage to be organized. I don't like this. Everybody grown in this mother sucker.
Not me.
Except for you. You're the only one I need to be getting on. I shouldn't be having to talk to nobody but you. But I barely talk to you. Look at you. You got an instant. I need nails.
That is true. How does it open?
It opens like this. I don't know. I don't want to break my nail. Oh, there we go. See, and you grab it, and you can turn it, depending on how big the job is. Where's the nails? I need some tape. I need tape. I need tape. Oh, here.
So. What the heck? You know to make this screw on the wall?
I need another tool. I need a new toolbox because this ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't it. I need a whole other toolbox. I need a toolbox. Come on, Legend.
Wait, I want to be cameraman right now.
I don't need you to be the cameraman right now because I need you to do what I asked you to do. You can start taking this stuff to the garage. This plant right here that's on the table need to go in the garage. That need to go in the garage. Yep, go put it in.
Help.
Well, take these then. Because for now, I'm about to hang up this picture, child. Alright. I want to see. That's why I don't like doing stuff. I like to spend money. I like to spend money. But I don't like to spend money. But when it comes to my house, I love to spend some money. And once I start decorating and shit, I spend too much money. Because I be wanting shit and I be wanting shit now. Like yesterday, I ordered 3 sets of new curtains. Like, that should be here today, by the way. That should be here by today. I need to organize everything.
You still didn't get the. You still didn't get the thing. The Spider-Man thing.
The Spider-Man thing.
Remember when I saw you that? Remember when I saw you the Spider-Man thing?
I need tape. Nico!
Well, shit. Don't you have wait, Nico was over there.
I need like that blue tape or black tape so I can measure this.
I wonder what ocean looks like now.
I need 2 screws.
That's a good
Nico!
question. I can go get it.
Come here.
Oh, never mind.
Here.
Try to push it in.
Go ring the doorbell. I think I need to take this off. Go give me that step stool. I don't think I need that.
What's that?
I think that's from a doorbell. But you don't.
Yeah, the doorbell's under there. I don't know if that's.
So that one don't work, right?
Yeah, that don't work. The doorbell. Yeah, it goes right there.
Okay, so I can take this one off. I think that's what that was. Go get me the step stool.
Okay.
I'm looking for the tape. I'm looking for the tape. That's what I do. Put the tape on here. I'm going to put the tape along here. Put the little holes in. Put the tape on the wall. Put the screws in. I know how it works. I just can't find tape or screws because my kids use shit and then I don't see it afterwards. Damn. You got it?
Yes.
I might have to paint my wall.
Yeah, I don't got it with 2 hands. I got 1 hand.
Thank you. Let me see.
You strong too.
All
That was
right.
easy.
Let's see. Let's see.
That's really loud.
Let me see something.
I want a real ladder, like a big one.
Right.
Now we need a big one. We need a big ladder.
I don't know what this is. Damn. This had to be a doorbell. Y'all think this was a doorbell?
Or that's like a smoke detector.
No, this ain't that. I can use these nails. Now, we need to go to Lowe's and get a cover. Or should I just patch it in?
Look at my dad's house.
Look, give me a butter knife.
Butter knife?
Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can take this out. Legend. think it's, I don't know how it's stuck in there. This shit ain't trying to come out. Okay, I can get it. I want to cover this. Let me see that picture.
What picture?
Give me that. Look, this right here. Hand me that. Let me see something.
The Buddha?
Yeah. No, both hands. Put that book down. I just want to see something. All right. All right. You can sit down.
Oh my.
Get this white thing
Where?
and this black thing and throw it in the trash.
There's a nail under there.
All right. Throw that in the trash. And that. I'm pretty sure that was a doorbell. But this, I could probably cover this. But it's, I don't want it that high. I want it like here. That's too high. Because I only want it like right here. I mean, I could just cover it. But that's too high. That's too high, ain't it, y'all? The picture? That's too high, ain't it?
This is what it's.
That picture gonna be too high.
This is what it's supposed to sound like.
Yep. Throw it in the trash. It doesn't look bad. Cortez! Come here.
Yes.
Come here. You dressed? I need help.
What you need help with?
You supposed to be getting up anyways.
What's up? What you need help with?
I need you to put this. I need to see this picture up on the wall. See if it's too high.
Okay.
And where's the tape at?
What kind of tape?
Like where that blue tape at?
You know when you take that you gave me?
If I can measure the back of it, I can use clear tape. It might work. If not, where that blue tape or the black tape?
Oh, I got that.
Cause I need something that's I'm trying to measure the holes. It ain't, but I wanted to put the little light thing over it. Cause I could set stuff underneath on it and stuff, huh? Cause I'm about to cover that shit. I don't like it. I'm about to cover that. Cause I can go to what you call them? Yeah. I'm gonna just cover it up for now. I don't feel like doing no patching and stuff. I need to move this desk, get all this stuff up. Legend, come get all your stuff right here. You forgot stuff.
You said don't do it right now.
Yeah, you can get that. I can hang up your pictures, your basketball pictures and stuff in your wall. Because your room is all basketball stuff. So yeah, you can take your pictures upstairs and your awards.
Then I should have done it.
Thank you. Now, I want you to go up right here and put the picture up to cover that. I just want to see something.
What's that?
That was the old doorbell from the previous owners.
You took the doorbell off?
That's not our doorbell. Our doorbell is over there. Look.
Oh.
Alright, now lift that up real quick. Go over that. Let me see. Put it right above it. Right there. Not that high.
I found Miss Robinson.
That ain't bad.
Mom,
Alright, bet. Alright, take it down.
I found Miss Robinson.
I just needed to look.